Hi everyone, how you guys doing? So I just came up with an idea to just vlog around for today to just show you guys around and show you guys my family, my siblings. Yeah, guys, this is my sister. Yeah, she's working. She's shy. Her name is Ijoma, and this is my brother. His name is AJ. The awkward one, always being playful. We're joking around. Just joking around, and yeah, this is me just feeling myself. So don't mind the glasses. Yeah, this is my sister. She was trying to take some pictures. I think this very day. Yeah, she's very funny, very shy. Yeah, yeah, very shy, as you can see, very shy. Yeah, these my siblings, these my sisters, my cousin over there. Yeah, this is the last one. Yeah, chilling with my siblings. Yeah, this was night. We were just chilling out at the sitting room. Yeah, this is me. The next day, we had some friends over. We were blowing. I think this no, yeah, we were trying these sound bangers. That's what we call it. Call it the local names is knockout. So we're trying out these sounds knockout. So we tried. It was funny. It was exciting. So do one of these. Try one of these knockouts. And yeah, keep on. It was very fun. Yeah, my cousin came over to the house to say hello. She was very cute. Yeah, this is her.
Oh, your name is Favor.
Her name
Favor,
is Special.
Eh?
We call her Special.
No, she's okay. Special. Wait, what's your name?
This one, very funny.
So your name is Special, but they call you Special.
No,
Eh?
like her name is special.
See her face.
So day 3 of vlogging. So we decided to go out next day to vlog some excitement going on in the Masquerade Square. So in this place particular, where they do host a masquerade event every end of the year. So try to record some for you guys to watch. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Thank you.